Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to present today. The global automotive industry is undergoing the most disruptive transformation in its history. Electrification, digitalization, and sustainability are no longer optional, they are essential for survival. Today, I'll be presenting advanced strategic analysis of the Volkswagen Group, focusing on a key challenge the company is currently facing declining profitability during the transition to electric vehicles, and how Volkswagen can strategically respond to this challenge. Now, I'm going to give you the company's overview. Volkswagen Group is one of the world's largest and most influential automotive manufacturers, with a portfolio that includes Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, Skoda, Bentley, and Lamborghini. Founded in 1937 and headquartered in Wolfsburg, Germany, Volkswagen operates in over 150 global markets, employs more than 670,000 people, and is publicly listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. Volkswagen's mission, mobility for generations to come, reflect a long-term commitment to sustainable, digital, and carbon-neutral mobility with a target of full carbon neutrality by 2050. The core problems they are facing despite strong global sales growth, Volkswagen's profitability has declined. In 2023, operating margins fell from 8.1% to 7.5%. R&D spending rose to 7.8% of revenue, well above the industry average of 5.5%. EV investments, battery plants, and software development significantly increased costs. By mid 2025, operating margin dropped further to 4.2%, net cash flow turned negative, return on capital employed fell to 6.5%, below the industry benchmark of 9%. In simple terms, Volkswagen is selling more cars but making less money per car. Now I'm going to give you the situational analysis as of pastels. Let's briefly examine the external environment shaping this challenge. Politically, strict EU emission regulations and Fit or 55 package require massive EV investment. Economically, rising inflation, energy costs, the raw materials prices, particularly lithium and cobalt, are compressing margins. Socially, consumers increasingly demand sustainable low emission vehicles, forcing affordability alongside innovation. Technologically, rapid advances in AI, software, and autonomous driving require continuous capital investment. Environmentally, battery recycling and resource scarcity threaten long term supply chain stability. Legally, compliance with the EU Green Deal and global safety standards adds operational complexity. Together, these forces create a high cost, high pressure operating environment. Product and competitive advantage which Volkswagen Group has responses Volkswagen's response has been ambitious. Its ID series, Audi e-tron, Porsche Taycan, and the iconic ID Buzz represents its electrified future. The company's key competitive advantage is the modular electric drive matrix or MEB platform, which allows component standardization, faster development cycles, cost sharing across multiple brands. The proposed MEB Plus expansion will further standardize battery architecture across mid range EVs, a critical lever for cost reduction. Volkswagen positions itself as affordable sustainability with German engineering, competing with Tesla on technology, BYD on cost, Toyota on reliability. Marketing strategy. The global EV market is projected to grow at 13% annually through 2030, reaching over $1 trillion by 2035. Volkswagen currently holds around 7% of the global EV market, placing it among the top 3 EV manufacturers worldwide. Its targeted customers are aged 25 to 55, middle to high income, tech savvy, and environmentally conscious. Marketing strategies include omni channel digital marketing, virtual showrooms, online configurators, influencer, and data driven personalization. Distribution remains strongest in Europe, China, and North America, supported by a hybrid digital dealership model. The operational strategy includes Volkswagen operates over 115 manufacturing plants worldwide, with EV hubs in Zwickau, Wolfsburg, and Hefei. Operational efficiency is driven by global scalability, platform standardization, localization of production. Quality control is enhanced through AI based process monitoring, predictive maintenance, digital twins, sustainability audits. The proposed introduction of AI driven predictive maintenance is expected to reduce downtime by 10 to 15%, directly lowering production costs. Now, the financial analysis. Financially, Volkswagen is under strain. Key issues includes falling operating margins, negative cash flow, high capital expenditure, declining ROS, increasing leverage at 49% gearing. However, the company maintains strong liquidity and continues to invest aggressively in future competitiveness. The financial data clearly supports the need for cost optimization, modular standardization, and shared innovation. Now, the strategy or short action plan to address these challenges. This project proposes a short term strategic action plan for 2025 and 2026. Implement AI driven digital production systems. Target 10% cost reduction. Expand the MEB Plus platform. Faster EV rollouts. Greater economies of scale. Form strategic alliances with battery suppliers, lower raw material costs, improved supply stability, integrate sustainability metrics into KPIs, enhanced ESG performance, stronger regulatory compliance. Now, I would like to conclude my pitch. In this conclusion, Volkswagen's challenge is not demand, it is profitable execution. By leveraging AI driven manufacturing, platform standardization, and strategic partnerships, Volkswagen can restore profitability, improve capital efficiency, strengthen its leadership in the global EV market. This strategy allows Volkswagen not only to survive the EV transition but to lead it. Thank you.